Today we'll talk about how can you clear cache on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you go down, you click here on mine down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on clear cache. You just click on it. So then here automatically, like you see, it's going to clear cache with you on your NovelToon app. So that's all you have to do. That's all to do to clear your cache. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.